Brad Williams, Excel Primed. How to split text? Well, we're really not splitting text. We're going to look at this. It's called a CSV file. It's just imported information, and we're going to split this up. The best way to do it, and you can do this with text if you have, let's just say this was an address that you imported. It was all comma delimited. You can break this up easily using what's called text to columns. Text to columns is under data, text to columns. All we're going to do is highlight this area, go text to columns, delimited, next, hit comma, finish, and your data is split. I have another section on text to column, a little more in detail, but that's a quick overview using the text to column and splitting CSV, comma delimited files using text to column. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.